My dear students, already I presented regional diversity and linguistic diversity in previous video. Regarding features of diversity in India, today I am going to present remaining factors: religious diversity and cultural and ethnic diversity in India. India is a land of multi-religions. India is a land of multi-religions. Religious diversity is nothing but if different religions are found in society, if different religious groups are found in society, is called religious diversity. There are 8 major religious communities in India. According to 2011 census, 82.7% Hindus, 11.8% Muslims, 2.6% Christians, 2.06%, 0.7% Buddhists, 0.4% Jains, 0.3% Zoroastrians, 0.1% Jews. Every religion has its own sects. First, let us try to understand Hindu religion. Subsects are found in Hinduism. Hindu religion or Hinduism has 3 sects like Shaivism, Vaishnavism and Shakta. The worshippers of Shiva are called Shaivites. The worshippers of Vishnu are called Vaishnavas. The worshippers of Mother Goddess are called Shaktas. Then Buddhism. Buddhism is also one of the major religions of the country or India. Once upon a time, Buddhism spread widely in India. But with the revival of Vedic religion, Buddhism lost its hold in the country. It remained confined only to some parts. It has 2 sects, Hinayana and Mahayana. Then Jainism. Jainism has 2 sects, Shvetambara and Digambara. And it has open system. It has an open system. I mean, there is no any restrictions. There is no any restrictions. People can move from one to another. People can move from one social status to another social status. So there is no any kind of restrictions. And there is no practice of untouchability. Interdining is allowed among the biggest minority group or community in India. Islam is the biggest minority group in India. Indian Muslims are divided into Sunnis and Shia, and also there are 4 schools of Islamic law. There are 4 schools of Islamic law: Hanafi school, Shafi school, Maliki school, then Hanbali school. Majority of Indian Sunnis, follow the Hanafi school. In the south, Shafi school is followed by Mapilyas and islanders of Lakshadweep. And then third one, Maliki school is followed by Sunnis of Gujarat. Then fourth one, Hanbali school is not followed in India. Another sect in Islam religion, Shias have their own Imami law. They are further subdivided into Qadri, Shahi and Naqshbandi. Then Christianity has 2 sects, Catholic and Protestant. Then Sikhism. This is more in Punjab. Guru Nanak is the founder of Sikhism. Granth Sahib is holy book. Then Golden Temple of Amritsar is holy place. Then Parsism came to India from Persia. Persians brought Parsism to the India. Persians are traders. Trading is their main occupation. Then last one, Jews, the religion Jews, they have two classes or 2 types, black and white. Interdining and intergroup marriage is prohibited among Jews. But one more thought I would like to present here regarding Sikhism. Sikhism has 5 religious symbols. Sikhism has 5 religious symbols. One is Kesha, second one Kanga, bracelet, then sword and shot. Kesha meaning hair. Kesha means hair. Kanga, comb. Bracelet, sword and sword. These 5 are religious symbols of Sikhism. Students, then let us try to understand the meaning of culture. Culture is a way of life. Culture is a way of life. It includes customs, traditions, art, literature, music, religion, science, morals, values, ideals, dress, food habits, language, and so on and so forth. So, one culture is different from others. The culture of one community is totally different from other communities. So, there is no uniformity. There is no uniformity regarding culture. One culture is different from other cultures. So, India has different kinds of cultures. The way of life of people is different from others. So, Dr. R.K. Mukherjee rightly said that India is a museum of cults and customs, creeds and cultures, faiths and tongues, then racial and social systems. It means totally we can say that one culture is different from other cultures. Then we let us try to understand another one, ethnic diversity. Ethnic diversity. In India, six racial groups are found. According to Dr. B.S. Guha. According to Dr. B.S. Guha's classification of racial groups, there are 6 racial groups. The first one is Negritos, Proto-Australide, Mongoloid, Mediterranean, Brachycephals, and Nordics. So, one racial group is different from other racial groups. They have their own culture, they have their own language, they have their own dress and food habits. Totally, they have different from others. One is different from others. So, totally, when we study all these diversities, we find that Indian social structure is very complex. So, this topic, the features of diversity in India, this topic has been completed today. I will present remaining topic in the next period. Thank you so much.